Okay, in 1, 2. WT 0416 Jocelyn Camacho, 29 years old, single, college graduate, 2 years domestic helper in Hong Kong. Okay, Miss Jocelyn, tell me something about yourself.
I'm Jocelyn Camacho, 29 years of age, single, a mother of 2 kids, ages 6 and 3, both are girls. I obtained a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education at the University of the East Manila in the year 2004.
Who will take care of your children if you're going to Hong Kong?
My parents are the one who will take care of my kids when I go abroad.
Okay, can you tell me about your DH experience in Hong Kong?
Well, my DH experience in Hong Kong is quite good and helpful in a sense that these experiences I had will be utilized by me in the near future, which is related to my future job, such as cleaning, washing, taking care of the kids, and cooking.
Okay, as you have experience in Hong Kong, do you know already how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes, right.
Okay, so how about your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
Aside from doing the household tasks, I also know how to sing and dance.
Okay, so are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, right.
How about elderly?
Sir,
How about elderly persons?
if there's a need for me, why not?
Okay, but if you choose, do you like baby or elderly? Okay, do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, right.
How about if the baby has fever? What will you do?
First, I have to check the body temperature of the baby, and then before I will give him some medicines, I will ask the mother, consult her first.
Okay. How about if the baby still keep crying? What will you do?
If the baby is still crying, then I must have to check whether the diaper is already full and have any other discomforts.
Okay. Do you know how to sing a lullaby song?
Yes, I know.
Can you sing one song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, up above the world so high.
Okay. Aside from singing a lullaby song, do you have any other talents? What are those talents?
Those studies, as what I had mentioned earlier, I know on how to dance, and also have these habits of playing with the kids.
Okay. Do you feel homesick in Hong Kong?
A little bit, but
So-
I can able to cope up those homesickness.
So what are the things that you do to about to your homesickness?
Well, the first thing I must do is to I have to find my job as an enjoyable one and read those reading materials which gives me interest.
Okay. If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
That is depending upon the situation.
What's that kind of situation?
If the member of the family I have is really in need of my a moral support, then I think I have to think of it before I go home.
Okay. How long can you work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer will give me more opportunities to work again.
And why you want to return in Hong Kong?
Because I find Hong Kong as a friendly place for me to work in.
Okay. So Miss Jocelyn Camacho, say something to your future employer in Hong Kong.
If I were be chosen as your future helper, then I could say, Sir, Ma'am, that I can work with honesty, work diligently, and work with patience, and you can trust me.
Okay, WT 0416 Jocelyn Camacho, Thank you very much.